Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that can revolutionize the way you store your food: FoodSaver custom-fit airtight food storage and Sous Vide vacuum sealer bags. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly are these vacuum sealer bags? Well, they come in a pack of 3 rolls, each measuring 8 inches by 20 feet. These bags are designed to help you keep your food fresh for an extended period by creating an airtight seal that locks in flavors and nutrients. If you're someone who loves meal prepping or sous vide cooking, these bags are definitely worth your attention. One of the standout features of the FoodSaver custom-fit bags is their multi-layer design. This ensures that once you've vacuum sealed your food, it stays fresh much longer than traditional storage methods. In fact, it significantly increases the lifespan of your food, protecting it from freezer burn and spoilage for up to 5 times longer. Imagine being able to store that leftover lasagna or your favorite cuts of meat without worrying about them going bad. Another fantastic feature is the customizable length of these bags. The 20-foot rolls allow you to cut the bags to the perfect size for whatever you're storing. This is especially useful for those awkwardly shaped items or when you're trying to minimize waste. No more struggling with bags that are too small or too big. Just cut, seal, and you're good to go. These vacuum sealer bags are specifically designed to work seamlessly with the FoodSaver vacuum sealing system. If you already own a FoodSaver, you'll find that these bags fit perfectly and create a reliable seal every time. Plus, they are made from BPA-free materials, making them safe for storing both raw and cooked foods. The versatility of these bags is another highlight. Whether you're using them in the freezer, refrigerator, microwave, or even boiling them for sous vide cooking, these bags can handle it all. This makes them perfect for anyone who enjoys cooking and wants to keep their food fresh, no matter how they choose to prepare it. Now, who would benefit most from these vacuum sealer bags? If you're a meal prepper, you'll appreciate being able to prepare multiple meals in advance and store them without worrying about spoilage. For busy families, these bags can save you time and money, reducing food waste and helping you stick to your grocery budget. Additionally, if you love sous vide cooking, these bags are an essential tool for achieving that perfectly cooked meal while preserving all the flavors and juices. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Picture this: it's Sunday, and you've decided to meal prep for the week. You grill a batch of chicken breasts, roast some vegetables, and prepare a quinoa salad. With the FoodSaver custom-fit bags, you can vacuum seal each meal individually, ensuring they stay fresh and flavorful throughout the week. Or maybe you're a gardener with an abundance of produce during the summer. You can easily vacuum seal and store your harvest for later use, allowing you to enjoy those flavors long after the season ends. In conclusion, the FoodSaver custom-fit airtight food storage and sous vide vacuum sealer bags are a game-changer for anyone looking to extend the freshness of their food, minimize waste, and make cooking more convenient. With features like a multi-layer design, customizable lengths, and compatibility with the FoodSaver system, these bags are a must-have in any kitchen. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.